They're so happy in their new brooder. They found the food and they found the water. They've been doing a good job. We won't have to have the heater on too high because it is warmer, but we'll definitely make sure we have it where it needs to be at night. Because they need to be, mid-90s right now. And then you start decreasing it like 5 degrees per week. Duckies don't need it quite as warm as chickies do. Seems like Bumblebee would start panting really early on. Yeah.
They're like have more thicker like coat.
They seem a lot tougher. What are you doing?
Chasing a fly.
Oh my goodness, y'all are too young to chase a fly. Are you kidding me? That's so sweet.
See that? They're chasing it.
Oh, how exciting it must be to see a fly. Look at him. Oh, they get so scared. You notice how they kind of stay in a little pack.
They all stay together.
Uh-oh, one got taken out. No.
And they gave us one extra one, which is a blessing.
That's right. Isn't that nice that they give you an extra one just in case one passes away? I hope they all make it.
They're a good company.
I know. Look at that. Let me zoom in on that little sweetheart. Oh. Look at that little sweetie. Hi, we're going to give you a good home.
They're so absorbent because everything's so new. They're so new to the earth. And get those tiny
those first
feathers.
few days you have them. Everything's so new to them.
Those tiny tail feathers.
Oh, tiny tail feathers.
And that fluffy bun.
I'll never get tired of baby animals. Ever, ever, ever. 5 little duckies swimming in a bathtub. That sounds like a song or something. I don't know.
Keep the sideways buttons.
Look at them.
Okay.
So sweet. Hi, babies. Oh, well, we hope you guys have enjoyed seeing our duckies today. I'm telling you, we're just trying to get our ducks in a row over here, aren't we, guys? We are so happy to have them. Have a great day, guys. God bless.